Hi, my name is Alex Chester. I'm a repair technician here at West Music, and I'm going to take you through the saxophone repair kit that we have here. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is swabbing your instrument. So after you finish playing, there will be moisture that will probably have accumulated down here in the bow. First thing you should do is tip that over, get as much of it out as you can beforehand, and then you're going to take your swab, which is included in the kit. Put the weighted end in the bell, like this. Then you're going to want to position that so that it's in there nicely. You're going to tip it over, weighted end should come out this side, and you're just going to pull that through. And I recommend that you do that 2 times. We also have included in the saxophone kit a polish cloth. And this is good for just wiping off fingerprints that you've gotten on your instrument. What this does is it helps preserve the lacquer. Over time, lacquer will start to wear off and you'll get kind of this spotty look on an instrument. If you take the time to wipe fingerprints and your natural chemistry oils off of an instrument consistently, the lacquer will last a lot longer. Also included in the kit, we have a mouthpiece brush, and the way that you would go about using this is run your mouthpiece under lukewarm or cold water with Dawn soap, and you'll just take the brush and you'll just lightly brush on the inside, outside, anywhere that you just want to make sure that it gets nice and clean. Dirty mouthpieces are gross. And then for mouthpiece protectors, I highly recommend that you use these. It helps protect the mouthpiece from your teeth because you're biting down on it over time. You'll get these kind of teeth marks. So using the mouthpiece protector will help protect the mouthpiece, but it also keeps your teeth from sliding around on the mouthpiece over time, so it helps make it easier for you to play as well. We also have included a reed case. It's just a little upgrade from the ones that you'll get that are in your typical reed box. This holds 2. Yeah, it's just a more convenient way of storing it. And then lastly, we have Cork Grease. And the way that I always tell people about applying this is that you should only do it if when you put your mouthpiece on the cork, you hear a squeaking sound and your mouthpiece isn't wanting to go any further. That's when you take the cork grease and you apply it just like chapstick. It makes it really, really easy to put on there. If you really want to, you can take your fingers and rub it in a little bit just to get it distributed better, and then your mouthpiece shouldn't squeak anymore as it goes on. If your mouthpiece does not squeak and you don't have trouble getting your mouthpiece on the instrument, don't put more grease in the cork. Putting more grease in the cork will oversaturate the cork over time, and it'll disintegrate even faster than it would normally, and you'll have to get it replaced more often. Thanks for watching.